Wash the cars. What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're about to detail our whips. They're looking a little bit dirty out there, so we're about to go see what we can do. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but there's so many bugs in the grill. There's bugs all over the emblem. I have to get rid of all that. Interior needs some major cleanse. Wheels are dirty. Everything is just dirty. Ian's about to wash his whip. Got the two-door cord coupe. Babe shift knob.
Authentic.
All authentic.
100%.
Got all the materials here, the turtle wax for the upholstery and interior. Turtle wax max power for the wheels. Some rain X after I clean the windshield. It repels the rain and snow. It actually beads up the water whenever you apply it. So that's really nice to have that. Armor All tire foam. By the way, guys, this is not sponsored. None of these companies sponsor me. Just to get that out the way. Armor All tire shine. Armor All wash and wax for the actual exterior. And some glass cleaner, glass wipes. So what do you say? Let's get to it?
Yeah.
The neighborhood cat came through.
Arsenal Gunners.
Yeah, but he says like. The water is completely black. Just debadged the Accord. Where it used to be.
Bro, it's just not coming off.
Really?
No.
Use the Goo Gone.
I have. See this little bit?
How's it coming? Okay, getting somewhere. The D's gone. How long did that take you?
Like 10 minutes and all my fingernails.
Man. Tires are all dry, so I'm gonna apply this tire foam, make them shiny. There's one. Tire foams on all 4 tires. Apply the Rain-X to the windows. Things looking good. I wanted to wait until today when it was daylight. I finished around 8:30 last night when the sun set on the exterior. So now I'm about to clean the interior. I'm about to wipe down the leather, wipe down all the upholstery and the dash, and vacuum out the inside. And take these filthy mats out. Look at that.
Really, Michael?
Car is completely clean. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.
Brandon, why you trust me?